Okay, I got a 1950s KW. Instead of the circuit breaker, I put in a 5 amp manual reset one. I added a power light. This is a large warm white LED that I made diffused with a bench grinder, and this is the short circuit light. But I ran the power light off the 12 volt taps in the center, and then I took out the rectifier disc and put in a diode. It's I ordered a bunch of them. 1N1190RA. I'm gonna do the ZW next, but I bolted it in there and I soldered it. See, I just soldered that on there, and then you got to make sure that the wheel doesn't hit it, and it misses it. So good. We're all good. Let's put it back together and see how it does. Alright, let's try it out. I like the direction button. I don't know, maybe I'll get used to it. This one pulls towards you and that one pulls away from you. It's opposite. It's kind of weird, but works the old 1950 horn. Works the new horn. Alright, cool. So that works. Let's derail and try out my circuit breaker. Oh, alright, cool. My manual reset circuit breaker worked. It's a 5 amp. I like it. I like the direction button better than on the ZW, but I don't know if the forward backwards is what I want, but it's alright. Cool.